So I think it all depends on the nature of the business, the kind of business, the kind of work that the SME is into. So if they are into something wherein they need that even on a Saturday, they will need their workforce, they will need their team to run the firm, service the clients, then yes, that is the need of the hour. But to ease that, maybe they could give a 2 days working Saturday and 2 days not working. But at sometimes, yes, it does cost their business as well. So as I said, depending upon the nature of the firm, they could decide. But yes, a work-life balance is important for employees, because today's times, that is what, when we are recruiting, the candidate first asks us, is it a 5-day working or is it a 6-day working? So usually they always prefer a 5-day working. But practically it is not possible to have a 5-day working for everybody. Maybe it is a large corporates, MNCs who could have a 5-day working because their clients are 5-day working. But here in India today, we are not 5-day working. The 5-day working culture has creeped in from the West. So SMEs, Indian companies who have their clients in India and they have to service their clients in India, it is practically not possible to have a 6-day working. So they could have other motivational factors or other features for their employees which could, mask that 6-day working. They could have a half day or 2 Saturdays not working, or a 2-day. The other day I spoke to one of the HR who said we have 2 days hybrid working, 2 Saturdays working from home and 2 Saturdays working from office. So it could be a blend of the two. I don't think it will come into India. It's not practically possible unless and until everybody, the government passes a rule that every company is going to work only 4 days a week, because otherwise those who don't, it's at the cost of the business.